Naval power is more critical than ever in today's world of growing uncertainties and geopolitical tensions. Traditional warships and submarines are no longer sufficient to stay ahead. That's why the latest military boats and Seacrafts are pushing the boundaries of technology and innovation. From stealth destroyers to agile combat ships, these vessels are equipped with cutting-edge features to secure coastlines and international waters. In this video, we'll explore 20 of the most advanced military boats and Seacrafts in the world. Let's get started. The Antasena tank boat is an innovative catamaran combat vessel developed by Indonesia, designed for operations in riverine and coastal environments. This vessel boasts an impressive armament suite, including a 105mm cannon and advanced targeting technology. The catamaran design provides enhanced stability and maneuverability, allowing the Antasena to navigate challenging waterways with ease. Additionally, the vessel can be equipped with drone support, further expanding its reconnaissance and strike capabilities. The Textron Ship-to-Shore Connector is an innovative craft designed for amphibious operations, employing air cushion technology to enhance its operational efficiency. This technology allows the craft to support troops, equipment, and vehicles smoothly across various maritime environments. The connector is built to perform under diverse conditions, ensuring a seamless transition from sea to shore. Its ability to carry heavy payloads and its impressive speed and flexibility make it an indispensable tool in logistical operations, aiding forces in rapid deployment and retraction during missions. The U.S. Navy Sea Hunter represents a significant advancement in naval technology, being an unmanned surface vessel that forms part of DARPA's active anti-submarine warfare program. This autonomous vehicle is designed to patrol vast oceanic expanses and is capable of undertaking extended missions lasting up to 90 days without human intervention, covering distances up to 10,000 nautical miles. The Sea Hunter uses cutting-edge technology to detect and engage submarine threats autonomously, playing a crucial role in the enhancement of maritime security and the strategic monitoring of international waters. Norway's Skjold-class corvette is renowned for its exceptional speed and stealth capabilities, capable of exceeding 55 knots. This makes it one of the fastest warships in the world today. The corvette features a unique air-cushioned catamaran hull, which contributes to its stability and efficiency in coastal combat scenarios. It is well armed with naval strike missiles and a versatile 76mm cannon, allowing it to engage various targets effectively. The Ghost Fleet Overlord program is at the forefront of redefining maritime strategy through the use of unmanned surface vessels. This innovative program involves vessels like the USV Ranger and USV Nomad, which were developed by Austal USA and are operated by the U.S. Navy. These vessels are designed to operate autonomously, performing a range of missions that include surveillance and reconnaissance without direct human oversight. The program aims to expand the capabilities of the Navy, allowing it to execute more complex and strategically significant operations, with reduced risk to crew and increased operational efficiency. The Tarantul-class corvette stands out for its impressive speed and potent firepower. Capable of achieving speeds up to 42 knots, it is particularly formidable due to its armament of anti-ship missiles, including the P-270 Musket. This corvette class has proven to be highly effective in various naval engagements, offering a blend of agility and striking power that makes it a critical component of naval fleets. Its design and weaponry allow it to perform exceptionally well in defensive and offensive roles, ensuring its place as a valuable asset in modern naval warfare. The USS Zumwalt is a cutting-edge destroyer equipped with stealth technology and an array of advanced weapons systems, including vertical launch systems and sophisticated guns. Its stealth capabilities allow it to operate undetected by enemy radars, making it an elusive target. The ship's design emphasizes low radar cross-section and high-tech armament, enabling it to engage various threats while maintaining a minimal presence effectively. As a leader in modern naval technology, the USS Zumwalt sets new standards for naval operations with its combination of stealth, firepower, and versatility. The Special Operations Craft, Riverine, is a high-speed boat designed specifically for riverine and nearshore environments. It is heavily armed and boasts considerable ballistic protection to support special operations forces in high-threat settings. The SOCR is capable of rapid maneuvers and is equipped with weapons such as G7 miniguns and M240B machine guns, providing comprehensive firepower. Its robust construction and versatile armament make it ideal for a variety of tactical operations, from direct engagement to covert insertion, which is crucial for achieving dominance in riverine warfare. The Elbit System Seagull is a multi-mission unmanned surface vessel designed for both mine countermeasures and anti-submarine warfare. Capable of operating at high speeds for extended periods, the Seagull employs advanced sonar and weapons system to detect and neutralize threats under the sea. It can be controlled remotely, reducing the risk to human operators and increasing the efficiency of naval missions. The Boeing Orca AUV is an extra-large unmanned undersea vehicle that is pivotal in the evolution of naval capabilities. This large-diameter, long-endurance AUV is capable of performing a wide range of missions, from intelligence gathering and surveillance to mine countermeasures and payload delivery. Powered by an electric propulsion system, the Orca AUV can remain submerged for extended periods, making it an invaluable asset for maritime operations. Its advanced autonomy and sensor suite allow it to navigate complex underwater environments and gather critical data without the need for constant human supervision. Now that we are halfway through the video, we would very much appreciate a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. Designed by AXM Marine, the Chaser 980 is a high-performance craft that excels both in search and rescue and special operations. Known for its robust construction and speed, the Chaser 980 features advanced armoring and bulletproof glass, adhering to the EN 1063 BR6 standard, ensuring the safety of its crew while maintaining high performance. Equipped with 700 horsepower engines that enable speeds of up to 45 knots, this craft combines agility, speed, and safety, making it ideal for rapid responses in a variety of challenging maritime scenarios. The Nimitz-class aircraft carriers are monumental symbols of American naval supremacy. These nuclear-powered behemoths are central to the United States' ability to project power globally. Capable of operating for over 20 years without refueling, their operational endurance is unmatched. Each carrier can host up to 90 aircraft, serving as floating air bases that enable a wide range of military operations from air defense to offensive strikes. The sheer size and capability of the Nimitz-class reflect the strategic importance of naval power in maintaining global stability and security. Wasp-class ships are integral components of the U.S. Navy's ambitious warfare capabilities, designed to deliver Marines and their equipment directly into the heart of combat operations. Supported by an array of versatile aircraft, including the F-35B Lightning II and MV-22B Osprey, these ships function as floating bases that enable a full spectrum of military operations. The synergy between air and sea capabilities on Wasp-class ships showcases the tactical flexibility and strategic utility of amphibious assault ships in modern naval warfare, facilitating seamless operations across multiple domains. The Seawolf-class submarines are among the most advanced, fast-attack submarines in the world, designed to operate in both deep and shallow waters. These nuclear-powered submarines are equipped with Tomahawk cruise missiles, enabling them to engage targets with precision over long distances. Their design focuses on stealth and agility, allowing them to conduct various critical missions, including surveillance and direct engagement with enemy assets. The Ohio-class submarines are a critical element of America's nuclear triad, serving as a key component in national security with their strategic nuclear deterrent capabilities. These submarines are equipped to carry Trident ballistic missiles, central to the United States' second strike capability. Designed for stealth and endurance, Ohio-class submarines can operate undetected in the world's oceans, providing a persistent threat that can respond to global threats at a moment's notice. Their ability to carry numerous nuclear missiles ensures that they are a formidable force in maintaining global peace and deterring potential aggressors. The Zumwalt-class destroyers are among the most technologically advanced naval ships in the world. Designed with unique features that enhance their combat capabilities in surface and anti-air warfare, These ships are notable for their distinctive tumble-home hull design and integrated electric propulsion system, which provides significant advantages in terms of stealth and energy efficiency. The Skjold-class is equipped with advanced weaponry and sensors, making it highly effective at engaging sea and air threats. Its capabilities make it an essential asset in modern naval operations, prepared to handle the complexities of contemporary combat environments. The Skjold-class destroyers of the Japanese Maritime Self-Defense Force are equipped with advanced systems to address modern threats and maintain stability in maritime regions. These destroyers are designed with a sophisticated Aegis combat system, which enables them to track and engage enemy targets with high precision. Their capabilities are critical in ensuring peace and security in the Asia-Pacific region, particularly amidst increasing maritime disputes and threats. The Skjold-class destroyers balance power and agility, making them well-suited for various missions from air defense to ballistic missile defense, underscoring Japan's commitment to a stable and secure maritime environment. The 40-foot Defiant patrol boat, referred to as the 40PB, is a recent addition to the U.S. Navy's fleet. Highlighted by NAVSEA, it is not intended as a replacement for the Mark VI, but serves as a versatile new platform for various patrol and enforcement activities. The 40PB excels in littoral or coastal areas, where its size and agility are advantageous. Its design focuses on adaptability to various missions, which is essential in today's complex naval world. The USS Zumwalt is the lead ship of its class and represents a significant leap in naval warfare technology. It is the world's largest and most technologically advanced surface combatant, equipped with state-of-the-art electric propulsion, which significantly reduces its signature, enhancing its stealth capabilities. The USS Zumwalt also boasts advanced weaponry systems that provide substantial firepower and defensive options, making it an integral component of modern naval strategy. Its unique, stealthy hull design further minimizes its radar cross-section, allowing it to operate undetected in hostile environments. The Independence-class littoral combat ship is specifically designed for operations in the coastal zones close to shore. These ships are famous for their exceptional speed, agility, and versatility, capable of reaching speeds above 40 knots. Their primary role is to counter asymmetric anti-access threats like mines, quiet diesel submarines, and fast surface crafts. What sets the Independence-class apart is its modular design, which allows for quick reconfiguration to suit a variety of mission profiles, including surface warfare, mine countermeasures, and anti-submarine warfare. That's all from this video. So, how impressive did you find these cutting-edge military vessels? Would you want to see them in action up close? Share your thoughts in the comments section below, and let's engage. Until our next exploration, stay tuned.